I've been trying for years to get the VA to even recognize me being diagnosed with PTSD many, many years ago, but they were never willing, never able or willing to address that as a service-connected disability. The issues I found myself still dealing with to this day is the fact that I have a clear and total recall of traumatic experiences I had while I was being medically treated at the Portsmouth Naval Hospital back in 1997. And for whatever reason, the VA just was unwilling to acknowledge it and take it seriously as a claim for compensation. But every time I filed a claim with the VA for that condition, I was denied over and over and over again. I mean, think about how deflating that felt each time they came back and denied me. And it just got to the point where I realized this is something, the amount of bureaucracy and for whatever reason, my particular case prompted the VA to treat me in that manner or to dismiss the diagnosis of PTSD over the years was just too much for me to overcome by myself. I couldn't, it was like I was fighting a losing battle each and every time. And it was at that point I realized I need help. So I reached out to your law firm, and best thing I could have done. Had I known better, I would have done this a long time ago. Through word of mouth, through other veterans, you guys' law firm was referred to me as being well known for being successful in helping veterans resolve these type of issues. And it wasn't like I wasn't somewhat familiar with the process. It's just as it pertained to this particular issue, I felt powerless, I felt helpless, and that they were just simply determined to deny me on this. I hire a law firm. 1 year and 2 months later, no more denial, until Barry Law Firm stepped in and said, hold on, wait a minute, and dissolved that issue for me. I am now 100% permanent, total disabled, and I can't be thankful enough for the work that was done on my behalf by your law firm. You guys were instrumental in helping me get to where I needed to be, and I will be always most appreciative for the service that was provided by your law firm. And I will happily recommend you to other veterans who find themselves in similar situations as I found myself.